Hello, today we will guide you through how to quote another message in Slack. Quoting is a simple way to pull a specific line into your reply so everyone knows exactly what you're responding to. It keeps conversations tidy and reduces back and forth, especially in busy channels. Start by opening Slack, either in your web browser or the desktop app. Make sure you're in the correct workspace so you see the channels and direct messages you expect. From the left sidebar, click Home to return to your workspace overview. This gives you a clean starting point and ensures your channel list and recent conversations are up to date. Next, open the channel where you want to post your reply. This could be any project or team channel. We'll use a sample channel for this walkthrough. Take a moment to glance at the thread you're replying to so you select the most relevant line to quote. Quoting just the key sentence avoids clutter and makes your point clearer. Click into the message field at the bottom of the channel and type your reply. If you want to include a quote, type, or paste the specific text you want to highlight right in the composer. Keeping the quote short and specific helps teammates scan the conversation quickly. If you need to add context, plan to write a short sentence above or below your quote explaining why it matters. Now apply the quote formatting. Look for the formatting toolbar in the message composer. Select the text you want to turn into a quote, then click the Block Quote button. Your selected text will switch to a quoted style with a vertical bar along the left, making it visually distinct from the rest of your message. You can continue typing regular text before or after the quoted section to explain your point. If you accidentally quoted too much, simply adjust your selection and click the Block Quote button again to toggle it off and reapply it to the correct portion. As you review your message, make sure the quoted line is accurate and attributed clearly in your own words if needed, such as mentioned above, or following up on the earlier point. This keeps the conversation context clear without exposing any unnecessary details. When everything looks good, post your message as you normally would, and your quote will appear cleanly in the channel for everyone to reference. That's all it takes. Open Slack, head to Home, jump into the right channel, write your reply, and apply the block quote style to the line you want to highlight. With this approach, your messages stay clear, focused, and easy for your team to follow.